Wild animals play crucial roles in ecosystems and offer various benefits, including 1. Biodiversity. Wild animals contribute to the overall diversity of life on Earth, which is essential for healthy ecosystems. They represent different species, each with unique genetic makeup and ecological roles. 2. Ecosystem services. Many wild animals provide essential ecosystem services such as pollination, seed dispersal, nutrient cycling, and pest control. For example, bees pollinate crops, while birds disperse seeds, and predators regulate prey populations. 3. Ecotourism and recreation. Wild animals attract tourists and outdoor enthusiasts, providing economic benefits through ecotourism, wildlife watching, and recreational activities like birdwatching, safaris, and wildlife photography. 4. Scientific research. Wild animals are subjects of scientific research, providing insights into behavior, ecology, physiology, and genetics. Such knowledge contributes to conservation efforts and enhances our understanding of the natural world. 5. Cultural and spiritual value. Many cultures and indigenous communities have deep spiritual connections to wild animals, considering them sacred or symbolizing cultural heritage. They are often integral to myths, folklore, and traditional practices. 6. Aesthetic and inspirational value. Wild animals inspire art, literature, and creativity, enriching human culture. Their beauty, grace, and resilience captivate and inspire people worldwide. 7. Economic value. Wild animals contribute to economies through activities like hunting, fishing, and the trade of animal products. However, sustainable practices are essential to prevent overexploitation and ensure long-term benefits. 8. Health benefits. Interactions with nature and wild animals can improve mental and physical well-being, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Nature-based activities like hiking, camping, and wildlife observation have therapeutic effects. Conserving wild animals and their habitats is vital to maintaining these benefits and safeguarding the health and stability of ecosystems, ultimately